Introducing HuskyLens 2, an easy-to-play AI vision sensor. With over 20 built-in AI models, it's all set for further exploration. Simple to start, ready when you are. With one click, it learns. It still recognizes you. And now, identifies you. Draw a box to track an object. The robotic arm locks on. And gotcha. HuskyLens 2 can learn any gesture, turning motion into action. Draw, aim, fire. This time, you're part of the game. What's more interesting, you can combine multiple models, design new ways to interact. From ideas to creation, imagination is no longer limited. That's only the beginning. Beyond what's built in, you can just scan a QR code to add new models. Extension made effortless. Or you can train your own models for specific tasks or for daily preferences. Deploy custom-trained models with one click. Connect HuskyLens 2 to your robot, and it becomes exactly what you envision. Your perfect creative partner. HuskyLens 2 is the first AI vision sensor with a built-in MCP server, aligning LLMs with edge perception like never before.
Good morning, Xiao. HuskyLens 2 board detected. HuskyLens project activated. Current progress, 95%. How can I help for today?
The Wi-Fi slot is too tall and interferes with the case. I need to make it lower.
Got it. Task logged. Please use carefully when soldering. Warning! Flammable cable detected near the soldering area.
HuskyLens 2 delivers 6 TOPS of computing power, making visual recognition near instant. Pair it with the optional Wi-Fi module to unlock wireless transmission and MCP services. Swap in replaceable camera modules. Explore the microscopic world. Stream wirelessly to larger screens. Mark what your eyes cannot reach. With powerful on-device computing and customizable AI models, HuskyLens 2 bridges the physical and digital worlds. Switch freely. Explore deeply. Unleash creativity. Realize your vision. HuskyLens 2. Versatile by design. Defined by you.